and
Trying to mix a little
they
bit of
starting to
something.
cook. So y'all know I got to close this. So I'll see you in a minute.
Well, hello everybody. Welcome back. Not to an episode just yet, but we here, y'all. We made some kebabs. We've been doing videos all day, but this is the final result, man. They came out delicious. Oh man. You're right about that jalapeno. That's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Grilled. For some reason, everything tastes like it's got butter on it. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. Maybe it's just me.
Good quality food.
It just tastes.
Has good quality taste.
It's delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Can I see that? Maybe a little bit. Hold it up to this one.
That piece of meat came from what again?
This is a beef tri-tip.
A beef tri-tip.
Mm-hmm. And it cooks up so well, man.
Man,
Easy to chew, man.
this the third one we didn't have.
It is, ain't it?
Mm-hmm. In the last week.
Few days, actually. Last 5, yeah. Last week. Right. Oh man, that just came out so good,
And
guys.
see, the thing is, we're not beef eaters like that.
Not really.
Mm-mm. But I tell you what,
I'll tell you what, buddy. This
It's
right
right
here. It's the way to go.
absolutely.
Oh man. Because even guys, we even did onions. Can they see that? Focus. Come on, focus camera, please. There we go. Focus on the onion. It's gonna blur you out, but it's cool.
Uh-huh.
There we go. Onions came out nice.
Everything is.
I think everything just came out delicious, man. I keep finding more and more jalapeno seeds. They trying to get me today, boy.
You all right?
No, they okay. They okay. So I've never had well, we call it Spreckers, but Spreckers makes a pretty good cream soda, orange soda that tastes like an orange sickle, and a root beer.
I don't think I ever saw that name before.
They make some pretty good stuff. Just like they have the Not Your Father's root beer. Man, that's good stuff too.
From that brand. I remember we bought that other brand. We didn't like it.
No, that Big Brother stuff sucks. Or maybe it's Big Brother I'm looking for. I think it's Big Brother that I'm looking for. The Not Your Father's root beer sucks. Because I see that all the time. We had that. That's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for Big Brothers, yeah. Big Brother's root beer was nice.
Just like the root beer that they sell